How to fix battery draining fast Android. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, if your battery is draining quickly in your Android device, make sure that you have closed all the recent apps. Make sure that you close all the recent apps that you don't need or no longer use. For the second step, head over to your settings and you will see a page like this. Scroll below, you will see battery somewhere, open it. You can also put your phone on a power saving mode. For that, you will see power saving, toggle it on. Under here, you will see background usage limits, open it. Make sure that you toggle on this button that says put unused application to sleep. This means when your application is no longer in use, the phone will put it to sleep and it will no longer use your battery. And the last thing you can do in order to save your battery is connect your phone to a very good charger and adapter. When your phone is connected to a good charger, it will charge sooner and the battery will also last longer. The one practice that you can try is do not full charge your phone. You can only charge your phone up to 80%, leave it and charge again once it is less than 25%. This is a good practice of lasting your battery longer. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.